Step 1 to trimming the fat from this design is to get rid of unnecessary space, obviously, right? So that seems to be mostly coming from this big wooden handle. And dope, it's gone. I don't want to make the new gun just all haphazardly like I made the old one. So I'm going to model the parts out of like some cardboard. Also, I found that I had trouble opening the valve immediately at higher pressures, so I decided to make like a custom battery pack out of about 6 9-volt batteries. First, I labeled the batteries after recording their voltage and amperage. I connected pairs of 2 in series and then connected those 3 cells in parallel. With around 16 volts and 5 amps, it seems like this will open my valve at pretty much any pressure I'm going to be working with. It's worth noting that the same result could probably be accomplished with like 4 newer 9-volt batteries, but I just happen to have a few new ones and a few old ones. And assembly, this is the new gun. Wait, hold on. I'm having trouble with a system that I need a new part to fix, and I don't feel like ordering new parts. And this is kind of a character theme build, and Rorschach isn't that type of character to care about like a bunch of fippy-dippy functions. So I could just build a mechanical switch? I'd like to make it clear that this is not me giving up. Totally not me giving up. Totally me not pushing a problem into the future. No. I'm being loyal to a character. Yeah. Sick. There's a trigger if ever there was one. Here's some assembly. I strip this screw again because I do not learn from my past mistakes.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fire.
And oh no, we can't see where it went. It might seem like I'm rushing through this first part of the build, but that's because halfway through, and I was trying to like improve over like another iteration that I straight up didn't put in this video, I had a much better idea. And I went to Lowe's. Oh, there. Okay. Oh, this one actually wasn't that difficult, and I'm super glad I got a chance to get rid of this fitting because it's super janky, and I think there's like hot glue in it. This can't be that hard. God, jeez, mother. Nailed it first try. For testing, I made a grappling gun out of laminated plywood and polycarbonate. Now, I'm not particularly confident in that combination of materials. Oh no, I dropped one. Oh no. Oh no. Dope. But I figure that's probably like about as heavy as a hook is going to get, because I need it small enough to keep this whole thing small, right? But it also has to be strong enough to support me. So I figured that was about a way I could like top out my mass for testing. The little test projectiles I use are just bits of dowel rod that fit snugly within the pipe, and some 3/8 inch vinyl tubing that fits snugly over the pipe, and just some tape to like seal one off from the other, even though I think there's still a leak in there that feels like a pretty good seal right now. I feel like at this point, with like in the barrel instead of over the barrel projectiles, I might want to specify that like I looked up the laws for air guns in PA, and I'm pretty sure that I'm in the clear. But if I'm not, then I'd like to specify that this is a scientific test device, and my calling it a gun in the title of the video is only related to a fictional character.
Oh my gosh, I didn't mean to drop that like that. I had respect for that item. Gauge pressure approximately 150 psi. Launch angle, I don't know, about like 30 from the horizontal. Thing is hot. And okay, neat. That is not far.
Okay, I think this is where we're going to wrap up part 2, in that it's super long, and like I said, there's an entire iteration of this that I skipped. I'm definitely going to make it shoot better and farther so I can do like some kind of real actual grappling. It's going to be great. I might fall down. Oh, also, to sweeten the pot a bit, if you don't like me or the things I build or building things in general, I'm going to make like a mask that looks vaguely like Rorschach's mask, or as he would have put it, a face I can bear to look at in the mirror. All right, bye. Haha, psych, you thought. I'd like to thank Sophie for filming things. Sophie, thank you so much. All right, bye.